welcome back to this bad game, this really bad game. You guys want to keep on going? Oh, you really? Oh, yeah. You know what? Because I promised you. Alright? Just for you. That's all. Sorry, for some reason the audio is going down. Now, I already beat this level, alright? Now, because of that, you know, I was practicing, somehow I got to beat it, and I'm pretty sure I can't do it ever again, because every time I try to do it again, I can't do it. So, you know what? I went crazy, and, you know what? How about let's do level 2? You know, I thought that screen was a troll, because, you know, alright, so I haven't even gone through this level yet, and what was that? Did that thing just shoot me out like a rocket? Okay, not go there. Okay. Oh, come on. I got killed by 2 different corners. It's not fair. Wait. Okay. Alright. Come on! I can't even go through the pipe. And it's at the beginning of the level. Okay. Oh. That wasn't hard. Alright. Just in case something messes me up at the beginning. Well, I don't think something messed me up at the beginning. Ooh, jump over that guy. Oh, this is the guy. Oh! I was just letting it go over there. Okay. Alright. Oh! A king boo thingy? Jeez. I really gotta watch out for those things. Jeez. Are you kidding me? That's not fair. That is not fair. Here's the one. Leap of Kingdoms. Okay. Oh, I took care of 2 guys at once. Alright, watch out for that guy and, the thingy. Alright. That's basically Pedo Bear! Is that Pedo Bear? Oh my gosh, it looks like someone deuced Pedo Bear. Are you kidding me? It looked like someone deuced Pedo Bear in, like, I don't know, what's it called? Yeah, flour. Jeez. That scared me. Like, oh, it's this type of thing again. Just kill me. Gosh. You know, you try playing this game. I forgot about that. Jeez. If you guys want to play this for yourself and see how invigorating this is and how mad this can make you, well, you know what? Go to y3.com and you know, press, you know, what's it called? Oh yeah, Cat Mario, and you watch as it's gonna make you probably even more mad as me. I'm trying to keep it. What is that? Hey, Pedo Bear. Bye, Pedo Bear. Alright, assuming nothing will mess me up anymore. Eagle Kingdom! Why am I lagging? Alright. What? What? How'd that not kill me? Oh, I'm lucky. Alright, so... Oh no, that's a superstar thingy that kills me. Not falling for that. Yep, I knew it was something like that. Okay, here we go. Whoa, what's that? What? Question mark? Well, that's supposed to help. No! Jeez. Well, at least we got a checkpoint this time. Come on! Okay. Brown one. Normal one. Big normal one. Okay. I jump from here. There we go. And then give this guy a dose of, like, what, steroids? Is that what they refer to as in the Mushroom Kingdom? Alright. I love how he loses his hat. Like, as he grows, he loses his hat. Like, it's like, oh, I've grown? No, I'm no king no more. Alright. Alright, so... Okay. I made it. This is the farthest I've ever made. Well, it's the first time, so... Oh, I made it! No! Come on! That's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair. Oh, I made it through like a mouse. Come on. Why can't I hit it? Oh, no. No! Jeez. Gosh. Not fair. Oh Lord. I keep on forgetting about that one block. Hey, you know what? I'm not gonna try to run through it this time. I'm just gonna wait out this time. Okay. And jump. Okay. Why am I lagging? Oh, this isn't. Oh, there we go. Listen to that sweet soundtrack. Sing with me. Jump! What are those things? Are those like waffles or something? Oh! Not fair. Oh! I made it. Jeez. I feel like I'm going crazy here. Whoa, I think it like breaks it at random. Come on, why can't I fall? I'm floating. Kitty cat's floating. Ah, come on. Jeez. If I like die like 2 more times, then that's it for me. Cause you don't believe if you're just like, no, of course you can make it. I've done it before. Well, you know what? I'll put the link of this game in the description so that you can see how invigorating this is and how this can mess with your life. Oh, I picked up on the... Oh, wait. I'm just gonna let it drop. I can't do it. I can't do it. Let's just haul through this. Never mind. Oh, jeez. Alright, one more time and then I'm... Oh, okay. I was about to rage quit. Ah, come on! Forget this. I can't do this. You try doing it yourself because I can't do this. This invigorates me so much. Now, I'll put the link of the description I'll put the link of this game in the description so that you can see how invigorating this is. And you know what? Right now, I'm done.